So today we're making creamy spag bol. Okay, you can find the full recipe below the video or above it, depending on where you're watching from. So I have a quick question about seasoning. You know how you get people in the comment section talking about what are the measurements? Tell us the recipe. Retate. You guys, are you actually pulling out teaspoons, quarter teaspoons, and tablespoons to season? Like, really? Because when I'm seasoning, I am seasoning from the heart, my friend. I am seasoning from the depth of my soul. Here's what. I don't need nobody telling me to pull out half a teaspoon of seasoning. No, I genuinely feel like when it comes to baking, then yeah, you need to be strict about your ingredients, because just one little mistake can make the biggest difference. But guys, let us season our food from the soul. Don't let me tell you what to do.